Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to access the in-app support center. This is a space where you can access all of our support center articles from the Easel app, so you don't have to move into a different program to view those things. And if you're doing some quick troubleshooting or have a design question, it's a really quick way to kind of get an answer. So to start, you can click on Help at the top of the screen. You'll get this drop-down menu. If you click on Support, you'll get a window that pops up over here, and it'll say Support at the top, and then it'll give you some suggestions, but then you can also search. So I'm just going to search bits. If I click on that, it's going to give me a bunch of different results for bits. If I click on how to add bits and materials to my toolbox, I'll get the entire support article with the linked video. And I can just find that information there. And it's a great way if you're looking for information on Easel just to do a quick search while you're kind of moving through the program. You don't have to leave Easel to look for that answer. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.